Wait a second. If you have submitted your maths copy or if you have not submitted your maths notebook, you have to make revision notebook, maths revision notebook. And you have to write in that maths revision notebook, revision 1 of chapter 5. Write this at the top. Revision 1 of chapter 5. Okay. So we will start with the revision 1 of the chapter 5. So what we were doing, can you tell me the difference between multiples and factors? Can somebody tell me the difference between multiples and factors? Huh? Is there anyone who can tell me the difference between the multiples and factors? What is the difference between multiples and factors? Tell me. Switch on your cameras. Huh. Tell me, is there anyone who can tell me the difference between the this multiples and what are factors? Switch on your mic and tell me. Nobody knows. What is the difference between multiples and factors? Huh, beta? Nobody knows. Are you getting my voice, everyone? Switch on your mics. Switch on your mics. Nobody is replying. What is this? Switch on your mics. Mics must be on. What is the difference between multiples and factors? Nobody can tell. Nobody in the class can tell this. This is very bad. The whole chapter we have. What, Shaurya? Are you saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, beta, what?
Multiples are the
Ah,
number
ah. Speak, Shaurya. Speak, beta. Don't be shy. गलत बोलोगे, it's okay. If you speak wrong also, then also it is okay. Speak it. Speak, Shaurya, bachche. Speak.
multiples.
If you want to tell about factors, you can tell me the factors also. Huh? See, anybody else can tell me or I should explain it? Apurva?
Ma'am, give me 1 minute.
Yes, Apurva.
Ma'am, multiples are product of two numbers.
Very good. And what are factors?
Ma'am, factors are those two numbers.
Yes, very good. Very good. Only one girl in the class replied. All are sleeping. Switch on your cameras first of all. Everyone is sleeping in the class. Switch on your cameras. And your cameras must not be off. Do not switch off your camera now. During the whole period. Otherwise, I'll throw you out of the meeting. Okay. Now see, as Apurva said, she is correct. What is the difference between the multiples and factors? Multiples means answer of multiplication. The product of numbers is known as multiple. For example, the number is 3 2s are 6. Here 6 is a multiple. 6 is a multiple. The multiplication of numbers is known as multiple. Okay, 6 is a multiple. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. And factors are opposite of multiples. Factors are these. In which table 6 is coming? In which table 6 is coming, they are known as factors. Do not write anything as of now. Do not write anything. So these are factors and this is multiple. This is multiple and these two are factors. Okay, understood the difference between the multiples and factors? Now, We'll start the revision work. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Take out a new page, write chapter revision 1, chapter 5, write question 1. No, check whether was we have done previously. Wait a second. Let's see. Let's see. Check whether. Okay, write this. Dash, dash, and dash. Write this. Write its answer here. Answer 2. Solve this yourself, okay? All of you have understood? Do these 5 questions in your math revision notebook. They all are very easy. As soon as you do it, just tell me and send me the answer on WhatsApp. How to do these questions? I'm going to tell
Ma'am,
you.
I have done.
Okay, beta, send me on
I'm
WhatsApp. I
done.
will see it afterwards. I will see in the next period, but as of now. Okay, beta. See, dash, dash, and dash are factors of 12. Can somebody answer me this? Dash, dash, and dash are the factors of 12. Tell me.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Anybody can tell.
Ma'am, I answered first one.
Everyone can tell. Anyone. Any one of you can tell. Tell me.
Ma'am,
One.
ma'am, in first one it is 1, 2, 3,
1,
and
2,
4.
3,
4 and 4.
And you can write 6 also. You can write 6 also, and you can write 12 also. Both are correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Write all multiples. Acha, see this one.
Ma'am,
See
I
this
have
one.
done. Can I send a photo on WhatsApp?
Beta, yes, but listen to me. This one. This one is very important. Write all multiples of 13 between 50 and 100. Just wait a second. Okay. So write all multiples of 13 between 50 and 100. How will you write? See, if you see the multiples of 13 will be 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65. But if you see, they are saying between 50 and 100. Multiples of 13 you have to write, but it should be between 30 and 50 to 50 and 100. So we will remove these. We will remove these three multiples. Next will be 78. Next will be 91. Next will be 91 till 91. Okay, can a factor be greater than a number? Can a factor of a number be greater than a number?
No, ma'am. No.
Just wait a second.
No, ma'am.
Wait a second.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Wait. Are you getting my voice everyone now? I think battery is low, so I'm just coming with my phone. Just wait a second. No, the factor cannot be greater than the number.
Ma'am, your
Just
voice
wait.
is not clear.
Yes,
Wait, let me start.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not clear.